Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Japneet and you are watching White Peacock Arts. Before we begin today's painting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my video, you get the notification. So, today we are going to paint acrylics on mini canvas and I'll be painting a rose and lot of petals around it. I have started drafting my rose from the center and you will see all the petals around it. You can also take a reference from the internet or you can draw it from your imagination. Your rose doesn't have to be the same as I am drawing here. So let's start with the colors. I am taking Crimson Lake, Burnt Sienna, Black, and I'll be using gel medium to mix all these colors. For the darker color, I'm using Crimson Lake and a mixture of Burnt Sienna and a little bit of black. I'm using Crimson Lake to give it a red tone and Burnt Sienna is used to give it a darker tone, whereas burnt sienna and black are used to give it a depth at the base of the petals. So you can see here I am using all the effects all at once in the base layer itself. Since this is a base layer, so I didn't worry about the white gaps that are left in between. I'll going over it again in the next layers to give it a finished look. So you need not worry in the base layer. If you take a photo of a rose from above, you will notice that the base of the petals are really dark and the top of the petals are lighter. So if you observe the things around you, you will understand the lighting in the painting and also in photography. I really observe the things around me and I understand the highlights and the shadows, and I try to bring that into my paintings. I have finished my rose at the center and I have started painting the petals that are loose around it. So I'm using darker tone over here because this is a shadow of the rose on it. If you want to learn the blending of acrylic colors, you can mention in the comments below and I'll come up with the tutorial dedicated to blending of colors. And you can also share your views about my paintings in the comments below. And if you haven't seen my previous acrylic painting, I'm pasting a link over here in the corner. You can go and check my previous paintings as well, and I'm sure you will love it. To get the lighter tone of the petals, I am using titanium white and crimson lake. I'm using more of titanium white and a little bit of crimson lake to get a pink color that is lighter than the red tone. Now I'm drawing all the loose petals around the rose, and you can see the darker areas are just the shadows of other petals. These petals are one above the other, so the petal at the top will have a shadow on the petal that is below it. So this was just the base layer of my painting. I am starting with the second layer above it, and I'll be filling all the white gaps that were left in the previous layer, and I'll be giving finishing look to my painting. For this I'll be using the lighter tone at the top of the petals. Each petal will have a gradient of darker, medium tone and the lighter tone. This is how we get the realistic look of the painting. And if you are working on a pre-stretched canvas, make sure you cover all the sides of the painting. So this way you can cover whole of the canvas with your painting. Now I'll be painting some water droplets over the petals, and before we begin that, make sure that your painting has dried, and then you can move on to the water droplet painting. I have already made some water droplets, and if you want a detailed tutorial of how to make water droplets, please leave in the comments below, and I'll make a separate tutorial dedicated to water droplets. To indicate small water droplets that shine in the sunlight, I'm using a spatter of white color over my painting. If you liked my today's video, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.